So hey guys, welcome to the brand new video of this channel where I'm going to talk about how I'm launching my agency. So this is April of 2026 and agency is already launched, can be said, because I have some working clients and I'm working with it, and I have hired people, I'm working with people, and I'm actually figuring out things. How do I actually provide the service to my clients? But the main things, the name of the agency, the websites of the agency, the brand colors, the brand palettes, and other things, how I'm going to provide the service is all yet to be decided. And that's what I'm going to discuss in next few videos of this YouTube channel. So as you guys know, I'm Vedant, a 18-year-old entrepreneur, and I am running a personal branding agency where I provide personal branding services to my client. I prepare the social media for these people, for the people I work with, and I connect that social media to their business so they can funnel the audience they view from the social media to the business and they can benefit from them. Literally funneling the people from the social media to the business so they become the customers in the business and you get the profit. So that's what we work on, that's what we are aiming for becoming master in. And yes, this is how I'm going to launch my agency. You're going to watch it. So what I'm going to do is, you guys are going to watch my screen now and how I'm going to figure out the name for my agency. That's the most complicated thing I have to go through, because the name which you actually like, the name, I'm going to share you these things. Let me turn on the screen capture. So hey guys, right now you're watching my Notion here, and this is the objectives for today: name and brand assets. So the name, how I'm going to figure it out. First of all, I'm going to use website like Namelix, where that is an AI generator name deciding website. Now this website is going to help me in deciding my name for the agency. Sorry for my English guys, it's going to be a bit risky because I haven't talked on camera since past 2 months, and I haven't actually talked in English in past 2 months, proper English. That's why it's going to be a bit risky, but stay with me, it's going to be alright after maybe in the next video. So this is what we are focusing on right now. So the name I'm going to think from is the Namelix AI generator website. This is, and then I'm going to use AI, maybe combining two different names or maybe coming out with or brainstorming ideas for my agency name, and then using my actual brain, using my actual what actually makes my brain happy, what actually when I'm taking a name I should be feeling satisfied that okay, this is the name of my agency. So I'm going to use my actual brain for getting the name of my agency. So let's proceed. The problems which I'm going to face while getting a name is, already if the name is already taken, or maybe there is a similar name in the similar industry. Okay, let's suppose I'm deciding some name, and that same name but with a different domain, let's suppose, or a similar sounding name is in that space, in my space, it's going to create a mess. So, and the last one is taken domain. Now this, if all, if we go through all of these things, that okay, we like a name, we get a unique name which is not similar in the niche, still we are going to face this problem that the domain might be taken, that this specific domain which we like, maybe .com, .in, I'm going to avoid, because my agency is not going to be only focused in India but worldwide. Maybe I'm going to go to .media or .org, something like that. And then the last things which I'm going to decide is brand assets, brand color, brand color palettes, the primary colors and the secondary colors, brand fonts which are also going to be primary and secondary. Now this is going to reflect in each of my posts which I'm going to make on my social media accounts of the agency. Let's suppose I decide black and gray. Okay, so black and gray is what I have decided, let's suppose. So my all of the media which I'm going to prepare for my agency is going to be in the same domain of colors, in the same color palette of black and gray. So it creates a coherence, it creates a synchronization that you and your brand's media is having. And also it might be, it must reflect into my own social media. that helps too. So create coherence. People like things which they can predict. Okay, and also if it's too predictable, it gets boring. This is the lesson you must learn. So this is the objectives for today. Let's proceed with the name itself. So we are going to go for the Nemleaks. So this is a website which I talked about. This is the website I talked earlier. You know, when I was I started a social media marketing agency 2 years before. I used this same exact name generator for my business generating, but accidentally I did not check domain at the time. So you know what I thought of was, this is the agency name which I decided, but the domain is already taken, unfortunately. So this is the one which I'm going to think of. Business name generator. Enter the keywords. Now keywords, what are the keywords which I can use? So let's go on AI. Let's go on Claude, and let's ask Claude for giving us the keywords which actually matches the business. So this is what Claude is giving us right now. Different keywords which can be used. Okay, not for SEO. We're not asking for the SEO, but maybe social brand strategist, personal branding agency. We can pick up the things. We can pick up the words which is the most suitable for my agency. So I'm going to use personal branding. I'm going to use strategist. I'm going to use growth. Okay, I'm going to use growth. I'm going to use platform. Maybe that's a nice word too, which we can use. Also, what else? Reputation, social media, obviously. Increase also can be used. Okay, let's just put personal brand. Click on generate. Now this website is going to create some different names. Okay, let's keep the style auto. All styles work for us. Randomness, medium, not. Okay, let's go for high randomness, because when we put this randomness on medium, usually this gives us the names that are already taken, which I have observed over the time. So high randomness. And brand info, personal brand, strategist, maybe consultant, which is not exactly my niche, but you know what, it works. Social media. Okay, that works. Now this is going to create as the names which are too good, I'll say, which are too good. And we cannot use the exact name, but let's suppose I like this name, and we are going to mash up those both of the names and create our own unique name. Now see, Via Vertex, Primary. Now this is going to take a lot of time. Now I'm not going to waste a lot of time of your guys. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to cut the video and just start the video again when I actually find out some names which can work. Okay, I'll see you. So hey guys, welcome back after 4 hours of constant research, constant headache of what name to select. Actually what I did was, I just went on to Nemleaks. I went here and there, asked AI for different kinds of names, different kinds of emotions I have towards this agency. What energy should I have? What energy should I reflect from this agency? What energy my agency actually reflects? So I came across. Let's come to the screen. So you can see right here what emotions I have towards this agency is. First of all, I want it to be sharp. I want it to be, bold. What I wanted to be more is sort of, clean and organized, because I love being organized and systematic. So it should have some systems. It should reflect strength. So these are the emotions that came across my brain when I thought of the probable names for my agency. I went here and there. I just went on AI. Okay, I just went here on the Claude, and I asked for various words which mark the same emotions I'm talking about. Okay, and then he came up with these keywords, and then I just put these keywords into the name leaks again, asked it to tweak some things, again went to the AI, went here and there, used my own brain. Then I just went on a domain searcher. There is a domain searcher named, you know, it's domain name searcher GoDaddy. So here I came, and then I asked different kinds of, domains that which are available, and then my brain automatically started taking some things. So it suggested me over and over again, and then I came across a word, that is crust. So this is the word I actually liked. I don't know why, but it just melted in my mouth. That is if it just gave off a certain kind of energy, and I loved it. So I just wanted this word into my agency, crust, and then I was thinking here and there, and then I just went on Claude, and I looked for the keywords that Claude just gave me. I talked about, right? So I went there, and there was a word named edge, that is EDGE. So, as the name is of my agency from today is crustedge.com. I went on the domain searcher, I looked for the domain, and yes, that domain is available. So crustedge.com is the name of my agency, and then I fed this to my, and then I asked for the feedback, and it certainly gave me the feedback called, that it looks like as if this is a name from a food industry, because of the name called crust, the pizza crust or burger crust, which you talk about. But I fed him each and every name, and it gave me a negative word about it. So I went online, and I thought of many agencies which famous people are running, and then I just fed the same name to the AI, and then also it was like, no, that's not working, that's not good enough. So I just, at the end of the day, I thought of listening to myself. This is the name I'm going with. crustedge.com is the name of my agency. It gives me certain pride, I don't know, and I'm proud enough to talk about this name. I don't know why. It just works for me, and that's what matters, to be very honest. Maybe you guys could not like this name, or would not like this name, but it is what is working for me, and it's what going to work after this. So crustedge.com is the name of the agency, and so yeah, let's proceed with it. The next sector which we talk about, which we have to talk about, is the brand assets. Okay, so the name is crustedge.com. This is the name. Okay, we have used these three parameters which you talked about. Okay, taken name, no, similar name, yeah, domain is also available. So all the boxes are ticked. Now the brand assets, the palette which we have to go for. Now let's go and look for the brand palettes which can work. Okay, let's go on Claude. Let's ask it for the give me. So this is the prompt I'm feeding my AI tool over here. Let's see what it comes up with. Claude usually takes more time than ChatGPT. That's what I have found out. Okay, this is what it is giving us right now. Obsidian and Ember. Okay, that actually works. Cause Obsidian, I love the specific color of Obsidian. Also, maybe greenish emerald could work, but it would be too contrasting with Ember, the orangish shade they are giving us right now. So Obsidian and Ember works perfectly. Raw, contrast, and steel. I don't know. I don't like the blue icy color. Ivory and iron. It's not so good. Okay, it's good too, but I think that it is too much common nowadays, and gold could not actually go with the crust. Whenever I think of crust, I think of molten lava, and sort of, when the lava cools down, it has a surface over it, and the surface is also usually called crust. So I like the I connect it that way. So this actually works for me. Obsidian Ember actually works for me. uh, let's ask for more input over that one. This is what I thought of when I actually thought of looking for Crust Age as the agency name. This is exactly what came in my mind, and Claude is crazy, to be very honest. I hands down, that is the best AI tool in the market right now. Claude, man, hats off. See, the things which I did not ask it, it is building it for me, and I did not know that I need it, but I actually need it. Okay, so the color codes are here. The specific primary and secondary colors are also given over here. I can fucking use this as a logo, man. Crust Age. See, I can use it as a logo. Download the file for the brand colors. Anyways, this is where it ends. We talked about the specific color palettes we are going to use, the name we have decided. In the next video, we are going to talk about the most exciting thing, building the website for the agency. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till that, keep hustling and keep building things of your own. It's fun, to be very honest. Let's go.